Hello dear students. In this video we will start another important topic, disaccharides. Disaccharides meaning is when two types of monosaccharides combine together with the help of glycosidic bond, then they form disaccharides. When different types of monosaccharides combine together with the help of glycosidic bond, then it is known as disaccharides. And they are made to responsible a disaccharide. Examples of disaccharides are maltose sugar, maltose and sucrose both. Now what is the difference between them? Maltose. Maltose sugar is made up of two types of glucose molecules. When two types of glucose molecules combine together, then they make the maltose structure. This is the ring form structure of the one glucose, this is the another one. Clear? And these both types of glucose molecules combine together with the help of a bond which is known as glycosidic bond. And this glycosidic bond takes place between the first carbon of the first glucose molecule and the fourth carbon of the second glucose molecule. Clear? But maltose is known as reducing sugar. Clear? Maltose is reducing sugar because CHO and OH are found. CHO group, aldehyde group, and hydroxyl group. And the bonding takes place, glycosidic bond takes place between the CHO group and OH group. That's why the particular maltose sugar is known as reducing sugar. Clear? After the loss of the water molecule. Clear? Clear? Now, another example, sucrose. Sucrose is also known as cane sugar. Here, it is made up of by one glucose molecule and one fructose molecule. This is the one glucose molecule, 6 carbon. This is the one fructose molecule. Clear? 5 carbons. So, whenever the bonding takes place between the first carbon of the glucose molecule and the second carbon of the fructose molecule, this bond is known as glycosidic bond. But sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Why it is non-reducing sugar? Because bonding takes place between the aldehyde group CHO group and the keto group CO. That's why sucrose is non-reducing sugar. At last, when two types of these um, sugars combine together, this is the glucose and this is the molecular formula of fructose. Both molecular formula is same. Whenever they combine together, then they make to responsible C12H22O11. Clear? This is the disaccharide which is known as sugar. Clear? C12H22O11 is developed because after the replacing of the two water molecules, two hydrogen and one oxygen. Clear? Whenever the two hydrogen and one oxygen they replace, then they make the C12H22O11 structure. Clear? So these both examples, maltose and sucrose, they both are related to the disaccharides.